Hello beautiful souls, I'm Mommy on a Journey and welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time coming across my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in personal development, healthy plant-based eating, or just anything in between, stick around and subscribe because that's what my channel is all about. So today I'll be trying jackfruit for the first time. I've never had jackfruit before and well, I thought I should try it because it kind of looks like an interesting type of food because it's a fruit, I think, and then they make it into like a meaty type of thing. So that looked interesting for me and I decided to try it. So I'll be making a wrap today and putting the jackfruit in there. So I'll be making almost like a pulled jackfruit that kind of looks like a pulled pork or pulled chicken situation, and making it very smoky and barbecuey as per usual, full of flavor. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. So if you're interested, stick around. So those are the ingredients. So before I start, let me just mention the ingredient that I know a lot of people have questions about. Firstly, it's the jackfruit. Here's the jackfruit. It's canned in brine. I bought it at Vegan Street. I'll put a link in the description box and the price as well there. I can't quite remember right now how much it was. So that's that. And then the red cabbage. A lot of people I know don't really eat a lot of red cabbage. So I thought to mention it because it's the same price as the normal cabbage that we always have. It was $19.99 at Checkers. So yeah, that's the red cabbage. And then what else? Okay, the sauce, Jim, I think most people will know it. I also got it from Checkers. This one was about 26 rand, 27 rand. And then the other ingredient that I know, the liquid smoke, I'll put the link in the description box as well. It's from Smoked Flavors. I bought it online. And then something else that, okay, and then everything else you find it readily at any store, Checkers, Pick n Pay, Woolies, it doesn't matter. Oh, and another thing, my tortillas, I got them at Checkers. It was about 35 rand, 34 rand, somewhere there at Checkers. So yeah, I think everything else you can get readily everywhere else. So now, let's start with the chopping. Okay, so now my jackfruit is separated. I'm now going to add a lot of flavor to it. All of that, all of those spices, the seasonings, the sauces, I'm adding them to here to create a very lovely flavor. because I heard it's all about the flavor when it comes to jackfruit, so let's hope it turns out well. Okay, so I already ate half of my wrap, and when it comes to the texture of the jackfruit, it's like an overcooked chicken. Yeah, think of an overcooked chicken. It's very soft, and yes, it has that meaty type of texture. So I really like that about it. But in terms of the seasoning, the cumin was a little bit too much. But other than that, I would definitely eat this again. I'm going to try it again, just in a different way, not in a wrap, and with different spices, and see if I still like it. But for now, it's a thumbs up for me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Let me go finish my meal, and love you guys.